Yeah. Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ashraf. Today I want to show how to make mail server at Ubuntu. So we type sudo apt update, and then we wait the process. And suddenly we type sudo debian priority low apt install postfix. The second is Ethernet site for general type of mail configuration, and okay, and then we do system mail name example.com, and we type semi for mail recipient. So other destination to accept mail for my host name example.com, mail example.com, localhost. So configuration home mailbox by typing sudo postcon e home mailbox equal mail d slash this table makes arbitrary email account to Ubuntu system account. Ubuntu, we will create this table. We can use postcon command, sudo e virtual alias maps equal hash etc postfix slash virtual.
So next we set up the virtual map file. So you input sudo nano slash etc slash postfix slash virtual. So it will show address that you wish to accept email for, and next you input sudo postmap slash etc slash postfix slash virtual. Then you might restart the postfix process. So to make sure it will change lah. So you put sudo systemcp1 restart postfix, and then you the next step you adjust the firewall. So you input sudo ufw allow postfix. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Tan, so I will continue with step 5, which is setting the environment to match to the mail location. So while we match the location, we need to make a command which is echo export mail to mandrill, which is we created in the step 1, and then we continue to let the coding to read our variable which through the source slash etc profile.mail.sh mail clients. The real client we use is snail. So first we give the command of sudo apt install snail, then let it install our package. So nano etc slash snail.rc and enter. We will move into the file of the snail command, which is the words, and then we drag to the bottom of the document. Well, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. We will go to the next step, which is initialize the maildir and test the client. First, we need to initializing the directory structure. This way to create the maildir structure within our home directory is to send ourselves an email. First, we must use this code to adjust the command to mark your Ubuntu user as the recipient. Then you may get the following response. After that, you put the after that we manage mail with the client. Then you should see the new message waiting. Just hit the enter. Then you will see the output. We have sent the mail, and then you can get back your mail list by typing H, then enter. If the message is not very useful, we can delete it by press D, then enter. To get back to the terminal, you can press Q, then enter. That's all from us. Thank you.